Ever wondered how you can make money with AI-generated music? It sounds like a futuristic dream, but the truth is, people are already cashing in, and you can too. AI tools are making it possible for anyone to create music without being a professional musician. The best part? There are multiple ways to monetize AI-generated tracks, and today, we're diving deep into the most profitable ones. By the end of this video, you'll have a full roadmap to start making money with AI music, whether you want passive income, a full-time business, or just some extra cash on the side. Stick around till the end, because we'll also share some secret strategies that can boost your earnings even more. So, you can mix and maximize your earning potential based on your skills and strategies. One of the easiest and most passive ways to make money with AI-generated music is by distributing it on streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Services like DistroKid, TuneCore, and CD Baby allow you to upload your tracks to all major streaming services, and every time someone plays your music, you earn royalties. The key to making this work is to target specific niches. Instead of trying to compete with mainstream pop or hip-hop artists, focus on high-demand, low-competition genres like meditation music, sleep sounds, or lo-fi beats. These types of tracks don't require vocals and are perfect for AI-generated compositions. You can also repurpose the same music by tweaking it slightly and releasing different versions to increase your catalog. The downside? It takes time to build a steady income, as you need a large number of streams to see significant earnings. But once your tracks gain traction, the income is completely passive. Another great way to monetize AI music is by selling it on stock music platforms like Pond5 and Audio Jungle. These websites are marketplaces where content creators, filmmakers, and businesses go to buy royalty-free music for their projects. AI-generated tracks work well here, especially if you focus on corporate music, background soundscapes, and cinematic compositions. The advantage is that you get paid up front when someone purchases a license to use your track, unlike streaming, which relies on accumulated plays. However, competition is tough, and you'll need to regularly upload fresh music to stay visible. Some people make thousands per month just from stock music sales, but it requires persistence and a good understanding of what kind of tracks sell best. If you're good at curating music, you can also make money by selling playlists. This is a lesser-known strategy, but can be incredibly profitable. Playlist curators with large followings on Spotify and Apple Music can charge artists for placements. AI music creators can take this a step further by making their own playlists with AI-generated tracks, driving streams, and monetizing them through streaming royalties. You can also offer a service where you create themed playlists for businesses, influencers, or brands who want a custom soundtrack. Some curators even sell their playlists on sites like Playlist Push, where artists pay to be featured. YouTube is another goldmine for AI-generated music. Not only can you monetize your videos through ads, but you can also use YouTube Content ID to claim revenue whenever someone else uses your music in their videos. This means if your AI track gets picked up by vloggers, brands, or content creators, you get paid. Playlist.studio is another option that allows you to earn per stream on YouTube, even if your channel isn't monetized yet. Another highly effective strategy is running a 24/7 live stream of AI-generated music. This works exceptionally well for lo-fi, ambient, or meditation music channels. Because live streams keep running, they generate continuous ad revenue and help grow your channel organically. The challenge is maintaining viewership, but with good SEO and promotion, this method can be a real game changer. Licensing AI music for commercial use is another excellent way to earn. Filmmakers, game developers, and businesses are always on the lookout for affordable, high-quality background music. Websites like Artlist, Epidemic Sound, and Soundstripe allow you to list your AI-generated tracks and get paid every time someone downloads and uses them. This method works well if you can consistently produce quality tracks and build a strong portfolio. The biggest advantage? You get paid up front, and some platforms offer revenue-sharing models where you continue earning for months after a track is licensed. However, acceptance into these platforms can be competitive, so you'll need to ensure your music meets their quality standards. Another exciting method to make money with AI music is by selling it as NFTs. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Sound.xyz allow you to tokenize your AI-generated tracks, turning them into digital assets that can be bought and sold. What makes this unique is that you can set up smart contracts to receive royalties every time your music is resold. This creates a continuous income stream beyond the initial sale. However, success in the NFT space requires effective marketing and a strong community presence. Engaging with collectors, promoting your drops, and leveraging social media platforms like Twitter and Discord can significantly increase your chances of success. AI-generated music can also be a valuable asset in the gaming industry. Developers and indie game studios constantly need background music, sound effects, and unique soundtracks. AI-generated tracks offer a cost-effective and scalable solution for these creators. You can offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where developers seek custom compositions. Building relationships with game developers can lead to consistent work, and as you gain recognition, you can position yourself as a go-to source for AI-generated game music. Additionally, you can create AI-generated music specifically for mobile apps. Many mobile applications require background music or short sound clips, from fitness apps needing energetic beats to meditation apps that need relaxing ambient sounds. Reaching out to app developers or listing your tracks on app development forums can help you tap into this market. Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels have opened up another avenue for AI music monetization. If you upload your AI-generated tracks to TikTok's music library, influencers and users can select them for their videos. Every time someone uses your track in a viral trend, you earn royalties. The trick is to make your music catchy and align it with trending challenges or dance crazes. Short, loopable beats work best here. A bonus tip is to create multiple versions of the same track with different variations to increase the chances of one going viral. If a song blows up on TikTok, it can spill over into streaming platforms, multiplying your earnings. If you want a more hands-on approach, you can offer AI music creation as a service. Content creators, podcasters, and YouTubers constantly need custom background music, and many are willing to pay for unique, royalty-free compositions. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and PeoplePerHour are great places to start offering AI music services. You can sell personalized music for intros, outros, brand jingles, or even full-length tracks for videos. This method allows you to set your prices, and as you gain more clients, you can scale your business by automating the process with AI tools. The downside: it requires more active involvement compared to passive income streams like streaming and licensing. But if you build a solid reputation, it can be a highly lucrative business. Now to the most important strategy. The best part about making money with AI music is that you're not limited to just one method. You can combine multiple strategies to maximize your earnings. For example, you can create AI tracks, upload them to streaming platforms, sell them on stock music sites, license them for commercial use, and even tokenize them as NFTs, all at the same time. YouTube can act as a promotional tool, driving traffic to your other revenue streams. If you get creative, the possibilities are endless. AI has leveled the playing field, allowing anyone, regardless of musical skill, to tap into the booming music industry. So, what's stopping you from getting started? Drop a comment below and let us know which of these methods you're most excited to try or you have already tried. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on making money with AI. In fact, we have several videos on how to make money with AI. One of those videos will appear in front of you soon. See you there.